Not all AI is created equal. Today, we're diving into the different types of artificial intelligence: weak, strong, and superintelligent AI. What do these types mean, and how do they affect our daily lives? Let's explore together. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more fun AI content. First up, we have weak AI, also known as narrow AI. Despite the name, weak AI is actually pretty powerful. It's just limited to a specific task. Think of it like a master chef who's really good at making one dish but can't cook anything else. Weak AI is designed to perform a narrow function, like recognizing faces, suggesting movies on Netflix, or helping you navigate with GPS. Siri, Alexa, and your email spam filter are all examples of weak AI. They're amazing at what they do, but they can't go beyond their programmed functions. Even the most advanced AI systems today, like self-driving cars, fall under this category. They can drive but don't think like humans. They don't have consciousness or the ability to understand emotions. Next, we have strong AI, also known as general AI. Now this is where things get interesting. Strong AI would have the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge just like a human. It could think, reason, and adapt to different situations on its own. Imagine an AI that not only makes your coffee but also understands why you need it extra strong on Monday mornings. Sounds cool, right? But here's the catch. Strong AI doesn't exist yet. It's purely theoretical at this point. Creating a machine that can think and learn at the level of a human is incredibly complex. Scientists and researchers are working on it, but for now, it remains the stuff of science fiction. And now, the final frontier, superintelligent AI. This is the stuff of movies and wild speculation. Superintelligent AI would surpass human intelligence in every way, solving problems we can't even imagine, creating art, making scientific breakthroughs, you name it. But should we be excited or scared? Some experts warn that if superintelligent AI were to become a reality, it could change the world in ways we're not ready for. Imagine an AI that's smarter than all of humanity combined. It could either solve world hunger or, take over the world. But don't worry, we're nowhere near building superintelligent AI just yet. It's a fascinating concept, but for now, it's more science fiction than science fact. So, to sum it up, weak AI is all around us, doing specific tasks like a pro, but that's about it. Strong AI, or general AI, is the dream of building machines that think and learn like humans, but it's still a long way off. And superintelligent AI? Well, that's a possibility far, far in the future. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome AI101 content. What type of AI are you most curious about? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.